today we are going to be practicing some organic shapes. We're going to be drawing some organic shapes for the Henri Matisse and Mary Ashley inspired project that we're going to be doing, our mural. Now, this is just practice. Okay, friends, it's just practice, so nothing needs to be, finalized. This is just a way to kind of get some ideas going in your mind. This is a way to practice, and this is also a way to make a plan. So what we first need to do is we need to, at the very top of your paper, there's a spot for your name and your class. So please go ahead and fill out your name, and then go ahead and put your class on there. After you are done with that, you can go ahead and start filling in each box with a different organic shape. Friends, this does not, again, it does not have to be perfect. Please don't spend a bunch of time erasing. Please don't spend a bunch of time thinking about it. This is only a practice. So, organic shapes are generally shapes that you can find in nature. So I'm going to start my first one, and I'm going to do just a simple arched shape because that makes me think of a rainbow. Does it necessarily have to make you think of anything at all? No. And look at how I'm making my shapes really big. I am making it so that I can fill up the whole entire box. So you can do whatever shapes you would like, but I do need you to make sure that you're using the whole square. I don't want to see any itty bitty little lines. And please, friends, try to make them as different as you can. I really want you to think about making them super duper different. Let's see, so I've got 4. Let me just do one more for you. I'm trying to think. Alright, so for the other shapes, I want for you to, or for the rest of the time that you have, I want you to fill up your entire worksheet with different organic shapes. I'm just going to give you a couple of minutes to finish that up, and then we're going to go ahead and move on.